Total station surveyors in Mehrauli play a crucial role in the field of land surveying. They utilize advanced total station equipment to accurately measure and map the physical features of a piece of land. Mehrauli, a locality in Delhi, is known for its rich history and cultural heritage. With numerous historical monuments and archaeological sites, it is essential to have skilled total station surveyors in the area. Scon Design, a prominent architectural firm based in Delhi, recognizes the importance of total station surveyors in their projects. They understand that accurate land surveying is the foundation of any architectural design. These instruments combine the functions of a theodolite and an electronic distance meter, allowing for efficient and precise measurements. The data collected by these instruments can be easily transferred to computer software, where it can be analyzed, processed, and used for various purposes such as creating topographic maps, calculating volumes, or determining property boundaries. Overall, total station surveyors in Mehrauli play a vital role in land surveying and architectural design. Their expertise and use of advanced total station equipment ensure that accurate measurements are taken, providing valuable data for various purposes. Mehrauli, a historical neighborhood in Delhi, is known for its rich cultural heritage. With the advancement in technology, total station surveying has become an essential tool for accurately measuring and mapping land features. These instruments enable surveyors to measure both horizontal and vertical angles as well as distances with great accuracy. Scon Design, a renowned surveying company in Delhi, specializes in total station surveying services in Mehrauli. In addition to providing precise measurements, total station surveyors in Mehrauli also offer valuable insights and analysis. Total station surveying also enables surveyors to detect any discrepancies or inconsistencies in existing structures or boundaries, which is crucial for resolving property disputes. In conclusion, total station surveyors in Mehrauli play a vital role in accurately measuring and mapping land features. Scon Design, a leading surveying company in Delhi, offers top-notch total station surveying services in Mehrauli. Furthermore, total station surveyors in Mehrauli can assist in ensuring that the construction project complies with local regulations and standards. In conclusion, total station surveyors in Mehrauli, Delhi play a vital role in construction projects by providing accurate measurements and mapping services. Additionally, their expertise in surveying allows them to contribute valuable insights during the design phase of a project. Overall, total station surveyors are an essential part of any construction team in Mehrauli, contributing to successful project outcomes.